On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be continuing on with covering distraction management and pedestrian safety. And this week, week 3, we're going to be covering mastering pedestrian right-of-way, so stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. One of the top priorities of a solid safety culture is keeping everybody in your facility safe and whole. Now, we talk about heavy machines every day at work, but what about the people on foot? Walking the floor is often more dangerous than driving. You have people, heavy equipment, and moving loads in the same space. It's a recipe for disaster if you don't have clear rules. Right away is about mutual respect. It's about a clear communication. It keeps the flow moving and keeps people from getting hurt in the process. Everybody plays a role here, and it's about awareness. And here are a few tips to help you with pedestrian right-of-way protocols. Number 1, you want to standardize your hand signals. This is critical. If a forklift operator sees you, they should signal their path clearly. If you're walking, make eye contact before you cross their path. Use simple hand waves to confirm that you see each other. It's fast, it's safe, and it stops the guesswork. If you're not sure, don't move. Wait for the signal. Number 2, you want to use floor tape and physical barriers. This is one of our sponsors' main things. If you use tools to guide your movement, it's going to work. Tape is a visual reminder, and Mighty Line tape is one of the best things out there to use. Barriers are physical ways and walls to keep folks safe. You want to make sure that your lines are bright and clear, and if a walkway is marked, stay in it. If a barrier is up, respect it. Never walk over or under a barrier. Number 3, you want to wear high visible apparel. If you're on the floor, you need to be seen. A bright shirt makes you stand out against a warehouse's dark colors. Don't let your gear get covered by a hoodie or a coat. Bright colors save lives. And last but not least, number 4, watch for blind spots. Forklifts have major blind spots. Never assume that a driver sees you. Stay back. Wait for a signal. If you can't see the driver's eyes, they probably can't see you. So stop, look, listen, and be predictable. As always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Safety is a habit. It's not something you turn off at the door. When you walk through a warehouse, stay alert. Scan your surroundings. Check for traffic. Small steps like making eye contact or wearing safety vests can save lives. Make sure you think before you step. We're all here to get work done and go home to our families in one piece. Protect yourself. Protect your coworkers. This is how we keep the culture strong. It's about being a professional every single day in every single moment. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. And here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.